All right, good morning, guys. I just wanted to go over this assignment real quick to make sure you understand all the pieces that have to happen. So first is you're going to click on the Google Doc. And after you read the instructions, which you should, you need to sign up on the sign up sheet by clicking here and going to that Google Doc or the Excel spreadsheet. And you need to type in your name in one of these 5-minute slots. 4-2 is for today. 4-3 is for tomorrow. So everyone gets a 5-minute slot. Fill in your names like these people already have. Then when your time is there, so today or tomorrow, you're going to click on the link here to go to the Zoom meeting. During your Zoom meeting, I will give you one problem. So I already had a couple people that solved a problem and posted it to Flipgrid. Well, we didn't even confer which problem you're supposed to do. So you can, if you've already done that, you can take that down. No one should have anything up yet. So once you have your 5-minute meeting, I just check in on you and I've given you your problem, or we agree on a problem that you want to do and no one else is doing it. You then go make your Flipgrid video on how to solve it. There are 3 different classes. So if you're originally in my period 2, you can either use the link or you can scan the QR code with your phone. Once again, there's a link or QR code, so make sure you pick the correct period. Okay, that's it. It's not that hard of an assignment. Please sign up here and go to that Google Sheet and put your name in one of these 5-minute slots. Thanks, guys.